Hello, and welcome to the Arizona Independent Redistricting Commission's Redistricting 2021 training series. Today in this video, we're going to show you how to export a redistricting plan from a third-party software and import that same plan into the IRC's Esri redistricting system. So for today's example, we will be exporting a plan from Dave's Redistricting and importing that into the IRC's redistricting software. So as you can see, this is a plan that has been created, is complete within Dave's software. So we're going to go up here, we're going to go to export map, and we're going to export this as a CSV, a text file equivalent in the block assignment level. So that means it's based off of census blocks that build up to the district IDs. So we're going to click export, and it just completed download. So we're going to go into the IRC's Esri redistricting solution now. And as you can see, I have a base plan template up. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to go into File, go down to Import, and it's going to be the fixed text format. So you can see in my downloads, nothing's appearing, and that's because it default filters to a text document. A CSV is considered a form of a text document, so it just has to be clicked to all files, and it can be loaded the same way as a text file would be. So we're going to click block assignments that just exported for Dave's. We're going to go to states, Arizona 2020, and it goes down to the block level, so that's the correct hierarchy. And you can see down here some of the census block IDs and followed by the district number. So it's going to go through line by line and assign each census block spatially based off of their district number and create the plan for you. As you can see, it just looked through the file. There's no problems detected. You click OK. It'll take just a couple of minutes to run here. It has to go through the entire state census block data and assign it correctly. So it'll process some data, move through, and import it into this system. So the perks of being able to import something from a third-party system like Dave's, let's say for the last 2 weeks you were working on that through Dave's and you wanted to be able to use it as a base template in here before you publish it for the IRC to be able to view it and interact with it. So it's a simple way of being able to bring it right in, look at the numbers, be able to balance the populations, resubmit as you so wish. And as you can see, we're getting close to being done importing. The next step now will be asking to save the plan. So we're going to name this Dave's import example. Click OK. And as you can see, we are now in Dave's import example plan. So you've created a new plan based off of what came from exactly this software. So for example, District 1 has 768,423 people. District 1, 768,423 people. So it came in as planned. And just to confirm, we're going to go to Review, and you can open Plan here. And we're going to open up the first plan I had open, which is just a base plan template. And you can see there are clearly some differences going on between the two. So the current plan, which is Dave's import, looks just like how it did in Dave's, and then you can see how the original one appears. So that is how you bring in a third-party software's redistricting plan as a text file and be able to use that as a plan for submission for the IRC.